Ready to transform your outdoor space? Whether it's a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, let's dive in and hear what tips landscape design expert Peter has to share.
Hi, I'm Pete Bachak, founder and director of Osmosis Gardens. My top materials, without a doubt, would have to be natural stone, hardwood timbers, and architectural planting. In the stones, durability, texture, wide variety, generally go for limestone and granite. Also enjoy using basalt. So there's a ton of really good suppliers all through Australia. But yeah, they would be my top picks. Any of the Australian hardwoods are fantastic. Spotted gum, Tasmanian oak, blackbutt. Fantastic to live with. They look great natural or treated or stained.
So key takeaways from what Peter had to share. Prioritize durability, texture, and variety when sourcing your outdoor materials. Different varieties of stone can be found all over Australia. Using different Australian hardwoods can be a great way to add variety to your space. They also look great natural and stained. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tips to transform your outdoor space. And don't stop there. Check out our suggested videos for more inspiration.